Yo, it's Akshay. Quick fix today. If you're tired of the Adobe Genuine pop-up messing with your flow, I got you. Let's shut it down under a minute. Let's go. Click on Start and search Services. Make sure you run it as administrator. So click on Services, right click on it, then run as administrator. Once you run as administrator, you can see all the services listed on there. In that you can see multiple Adobe services. Make sure you select Adobe Genuine Software Monitor Service. Once you select that, right click on this and then select Properties. In Properties you can see Startup Type. In the Startup Type, make sure you're disabled and the Service tab should be Stop. If it's currently running, then you can click on the Stop button, then Apply, then OK. That's it. After this, just simply restart your PC. Then it's all done. If you like this video, subscribe, share and like. For more videos, stay tuned.